Seriously? I didn't upload anything this month. But why I have $200 and $8 for this day? So if I have $8 for this day and I don't have content, if I create 5 content per day, that will be like 8 times 10. This is awesome! I can do that. Like, that's super easy. No sweat.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I need to have an intro, obviously.
Sound production, take 1.
Hey guys, welcome to my blog. Oh, my hair's kind of messy. I need to
Roll sound.
fix it.
Rolling. Sound production, take 2.
Hey guys, welcome to my blog.
Action!
Hey guys, welcome to my blog. Take this seriously? This is your only chance to be financially freedom. I think I need to change my clothes. I'll probably just take a dinner first. Hey guys. Hey guys.
A few moments later.
So tired. I can't do it anymore. It's so hard.